JetBlue 191, how copy?
Southwest 3808, disregard, just continue runway heading.
Okay, runway heading, Southwest 3808.
5 Whiskey Golf, you still at the airport in sight?
Yep, we're on the left base for 31.
5 Whiskey Golf, roger, contact tower 118.3, good day.
53, see ya.
Amarillo, JetBlue 191, emergency.
JetBlue 191, Amarillo approach 10 pilots discretion, maintain 6,000, and expect a visual approach runway 22. Do you guys have an instrument approach setup that you want to shoot?
We're looking for it now, JetBlue 191.
JetBlue 191, roger for now, just turn 5 degrees to the left, and if you need something different, let me know.
5 left, JetBlue 191.
Up emergency squawk.
Affirmative.
JetBlue 191, roger. And if you could just go to 3340.
3340, JetBlue 191.
And JetBlue 191, maintain 8,000 for now. Traffic 12 o'clock and 7 miles. Altitude indicates 7,500 unverified.
Okay, 948, leveling off at 8,000, JetBlue 191.
Final approach fix 6 feet if you have it plugged in. If not, fly heading 130. Traffic no factor. JetBlue 191, they do have people, personnel at the gate for you. Contact tower 118.3.
1183, JetBlue 191. 91 emergency 5400 for the visual 22.
90 Romeo, turn left direct Levick.
Left direct Levick for 169 Sierra Romeo.
Delta.
It's 8 miles out for the visual 22 emergency aircraft.
JetBlue 191 with tower runway 22, clear land, wind 230 at 10.
Clear land, JetBlue 191 emergency, and we're going to need authorities and medical to meet us at the airplane.
Yes, sir, they're standing by for you. JetBlue 191, clear land, runway 22.
Thanks, sir.
You want them to enter from Bravo or Juliet?
Bravo will be fine.
Roger. Left there on Papa and a right on Bravo.
Left Papa, right Bravo, going to ground point 9, JetBlue 191.
Sure, Pop Tango, maintain your present speed or greater until advised.
Pop Tango will keep the speed up.
JetBlue 191, they have the air stairs ready as soon as you're parked.
Request?
Right away if they could.
Code 1, the pilot requests medical and security as soon as able.
We got medical and security standing by. What door does he want? L1 be sufficient?
JetBlue 191, do you have a door you prefer?
North-south line, 7,400 feet.
What's your aircraft type? Snapshot?
Cessna 206, snapshot 217.
Snapshot 217, squawk 0430.
0430, snapshot 217.
Blue 191, you can contact the emergency personnel on 121.65. You guys can communicate that way. Red 1, you can communicate with JetBlue directly, 121.65.
Yeah, JetBlue 191, we're on 2165.
Amarillo Command, go JetBlue.
Yeah, you guys come up here to the right, right 1, that's fine.
They're putting the air stairs up to door R1 as we speak. If you can have somebody open it from the inside, we'll get it in position. We have medical and security personnel on the ground standing by the board.
Thanks, will do, thank you.